There are two types of coffee-loving people: those who simply need caffeine to wake up, and those who measure, grind, filter, and agitate to get the perfect brew. Whichever camp your recipient falls into, chances are there's a gift out there that can improve their morning routine. And to help you find the perfect one, we talked with dozens of baristas, coffee roasters, and other coffee nerds about their own go-to ideas.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best gifts for coffee lovers. So let's get started. Number 1. Bodum Chambord French Press Coffee Maker. The French press is a fast, affordable, and all-purpose way to brew coffee snob-approved coffee. Its fine mesh filter does a better job at extracting flavors from the grounds, rather than absorbing them like paper would, and makes for a complex and aromatic cup. Bodum's sleek French press is a classic design, with a glass pitcher and shiny chrome holder and lid, and a 12-ounce capacity for a single mug at a time. But there are lots of other options, in sizes up to 51 ounces, black or white enamel colors, a cork top, and even with a shatterproof plastic pitcher. Number 2. Fellow Carter Everywhere Mug. It might look a little bit like a wireless speaker, but Fellow's Carter mug is a vacuum-insulated tumbler that will keep 16 ounces of liquid hot for 12 hours or cold for 24. It comes in 11 different muted colors, or if you're gifting to someone with a bit wilder taste, there's an artist series of printed mugs made in collaboration with various artists. The lid makes a spill-proof seal with a single twist, so you can toss the mug in a backpack or purse without having to worry about spillage. And the inside has a ceramic coating that keeps the drink inside from picking up a metallic taste. The mouth is wide enough that you can put the mug right underneath your coffee maker spout for on-the-go convenience. Number 3. Bialetti Mocha Express Espresso Maker, 3-cup. In 1933, an Italian named Alfonso Bialetti created the original mocha pot. It's a marvel of fluid engineering, using stovetop, or campfire, heat to force pressurized steam through grounds in a self-contained filter to make concentrated, espresso-style coffee. But it's also a marvel of design, with an iconic angular shape that's recognized around the world. Almost a century later, Bialetti's company still makes the mocha with essentially the same design, engraving a caricature of the mustachioed Alfonso himself into every one. The compact and portable Mocha Express can make 1 to 1.5 ounce shots of espresso at a time and requires no additional equipment besides coffee and water. The built-in filter funnel will last up to 10 years, and is replaceable, and the whole thing cleans up by just rinsing out with water. You don't even have to put it away in a cabinet, because it looks like a work of art on the stove. Number 4. Ovalware Airtight Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker. If your coffee lover prefers cold brew, Mochabox Coffee co-owners Harlan Thomas II and Floyd Sarton suggest giving them this affordable, easy-to-use cold brew maker. For $30, you get a handsome device made with glass and steel, two materials that are much easier to clean and last far longer than similarly priced contraptions made of plastic. They note this would be particularly thoughtful for a coffee drinker who dabbles in tea because it doubles as a nice iced tea maker. Number 5. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug. Yes, this is a coffee mug that costs well north of $100. But the Ember Mug Superscript 2 isn't just any mug, it's a futuristic mug that warms itself, letting you adjust the temperature of its contents down to the individual degree using your phone. Its long battery life keeps coffee steaming hot for up to 90 minutes, and the charger doubles as a coaster. Thanks to wireless charging, the mug is completely submersible, and you don't have to worry about splashes or spills. The metallic color options for the Mug Superscript 2 are the most striking, but also the most expensive, available in this 10-ounce size as well as a 14-ounce. If you're taking the plunge, we say go for the gusto and give this style, but the mug is available in plain black or white, too. That was our list of the top 5 best gifts for coffee lovers just for you.